Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered how a product could change the way your skin feels in just a few uses? Well, today we're talking about something that has become a skincare staple for many, the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Face Serum Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. This serum promises hydration, anti-aging benefits, and a boost to your skin's radiance, all while you sleep. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum is designed for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it's packed with a unique blend of ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, and the brand's exclusive night peptide. The formula is intended to address multiple signs of aging, including fine lines and uneven skin tone. The serum claims to enhance skin's overall appearance, making it smoother, healthier, and more radiant. It also offers a light, neutral scent, which is a nice touch since it doesn't contain synthetic fragrance ingredients. Now, let's talk about how this serum performs in real life. I've been using this serum for about a month, incorporating it into my nightly routine. The texture is lightweight but feels rich upon application. It sinks into the skin quickly without leaving any sticky residue, making it ideal for layering with other products. I found it easy to integrate into my skincare regimen, especially with my favorite moisturizer on top. One of the things I noticed almost immediately was how much smoother my skin felt after just a few days of use. It gave my face a refreshed, plumped up feeling, which is something I love when trying new hydrating products. I also started to see a slight improvement in the overall texture and tone of my skin. After a couple of weeks, my skin did look more even, and some of those fine lines around my eyes seemed less pronounced. As for the anti-aging claims, it's hard to measure that in just a short period, but the hydration boost is definitely noticeable. However, no product is perfect. One thing I will note is that the price point might be a bit high for some, especially when considering the competition. While it works well, you can find similar hydrating serums with peptides and hyaluronic acid at lower price points. Still, if you're willing to splurge, this product delivers results in terms of hydration and skin texture. The packaging is sleek and functional. The dropper is precise, allowing you to control the amount of serum you dispense, which is great for avoiding product waste. I've noticed the serum lasts a while since you don't need much for each use. The build quality of the bottle feels luxurious, and I appreciate the attention to detail in both the design and the performance of the product. When it comes to customer support, Estée Lauder is known for its good service, and their products are backed by a solid reputation. If you have any concerns or issues with the product, I'm confident they would handle it promptly. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options on the market that provide similar benefits at a lower price point. Products like The Ordinary's Buffet Serum or Olay's Retinol 24 Night Serum are worth considering. While they may not have all the bells and whistles of the Estée Lauder serum, they offer similar key ingredients like peptides and hyaluronic acid. So, what's the final verdict? The Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum certainly lives up to its reputation for hydrating, smoothing, and evening out skin tone. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to give their skin a more youthful, radiant appearance. However, if you're on a budget, there are alternatives that provide a similar experience without the premium price tag. If you're willing to invest in a top-tier serum, this one is a solid option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this serum or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.